How to fix Windows was unable to complete the format error. So if you want to fix Windows was unable to complete the format error, then what you need to do is first you need to simply go with search and search for CMD, which is command prompt. Go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So the first command is diskpart, hit the enter. And now the second command is list space disk, and again hit the enter. Now select the disk in which you are facing the problem. For example, just write select space disk space. For example, I only have one disk, so I'll just simply enter 0. In your case, you might have 1 or 2 or 3 disks. You can simply choose your disk and then hit the enter. Now once it's selected, you need to write list partition and hit the enter again. Scroll down and here you will have your partitions, right? Now you need to select the partition. For example, if you may only have one partition, you can simply go with one partition. In my case, I'll just simply choose the partition 4. So you need to type select partition 4 and then hit the enter. Once it's selected, now you need to type format space fs equals to NTFS and hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, wait for it to load to 100%. And once it's completed for the 100%, then you're good to go. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.